Today I'll be sharing with you how to change the case of the text in Microsoft Excel. For the purpose of demonstration, I'm using this Excel sheet in which there are two type of entries: employee name and department. Now for some reason I want that the employee name should be completely in caps, that is the uppercase, and the department should be in the lowercase. If I have to do it, I need to type it one by one. As the name of the employee is Gagandeep Kaur, I need to type it by either pressing shift and type, or I need to switch on my caps and I need to type Gagandeep Kaur over here. But this is a very time consuming thing. Every name to be typed again and again. So what can I do? I can use the inbuilt function of Microsoft Excel. In order to change the text in column A into uppercase, what I would be doing, I would be using the upper function in Microsoft Excel. In order to apply this function, I would be writing equal to upper bracket start. I would be selecting the text that I want to convert into the uppercase. I'll be closing the bracket and I would press enter. And see, Gagandeep Kaur is now into the upper text. I would be selecting this cell. I would be going to the right bottom side of this box. When the cursor would change into a plus sign, I would select it with my left click and I would be dragging this formula to the end of the sheet. This way, for the complete employee list, which was in the title case before, it has been shifted to the uppercase. Now in order to shift the department into the lowercase, which is actually in the uppercase, I would be using the formula equal to lower. I would be starting the bracket, I would be selecting the text that I want to convert into lowercase, and I would be pressing enter. See, marketing over here, the original entry is in uppercase and the new entry is into lowercase. So I'll be doing the same thing. I'll be moving the cursor to that part of the selection box where it converts into a plus sign. I would be selecting it and I would be dragging the formula to the last cell in the sheet. This is how we use the change case function in Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much. I hope that this tutorial is going to help you in making your work easy. Hope to see you next time. Do subscribe. Thank you.